Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to see what servers someone is in Discord. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. So let's open up the Discord app, whatever your iPhone or Android or computer as well. Now on here I'm just going to go ahead and navigate to my messages, and potentially I'm going to tap on one of these conversations and open up this specific person's profile. Now if I'm wondering what servers this specific person is in, unfortunately, there are some limitations to that. If I scroll down, or if you're on the phone, go ahead and scroll down, you'll see mutual servers, but on the PC, you'll see mutual servers here. Go ahead and tap on that, and you'll be able to see what server they are. So essentially, you can find this thing that you have in common, communities, servers that you have in common, but you cannot find the entire list. Discord just does not make that public information. You can always just send them a message and here ask them what servers are they, you'd like to see them as well. Maybe I want to join them. Maybe I want to interact with them. Maybe you can have similar interests. So you can always ask them, and then you can just send a screenshot of what is not a public information in Discord itself. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and like the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Peace.